Hi there. I'm going to walk through quickly how I would use Genius Scan if I was going to use Genius Scan on my cell phone. I have a paper on my desk in front of me that I want to hand into my assignment in my course. So on my computer, I actually have quite a lot of scanners. Genius Scan is the orange one with the white circle, and you can install that. It is entirely free. At the bottom, you can see you can upgrade to a premium plan. You do not need to do that for anything that you'll be using this for. Once you have it open up and ready to go, the orange circle with the white plus sign starts your scan. At the bottom, you have an option of going and finding your photos on your computer, or on your phone, scanning or using files. We want it on scan, which it is, and you see it busy trying to see your page. So you get it up over top, and you're going to see that it's going to find your page, but you want to be square over it. It should end up looking just like you photocopied it. If you have more than one page, after you do the first page, do it again. We're going to pretend this is a different page, and it will do it again. And in the circle, you're going to see a 2. That's telling you how many pages it has scanned. Scan your pages in order, then you'll have them all ready to go, and you're going to hit done. And what happens, it's going to show you the scan. If you want, you can scroll through the pages like that. At the top right-hand corner, there's that funny little boxes. If you click on that, it's going to, in case you need to change the order of your pages, you can do that, and you can move them around. It's easiest to just scan in the right order to start with. Once you've got it all scanned, bottom right-hand corner is the box with the arrow. Cell phones use that to say, hey, let's send this somewhere. I'm going to touch it. Know that the email button there might seem logical. That's going to use whatever email software, like I'm on an iPhone, so that would mean it's going to try and use Apple Mail. I don't have Apple Mail. So for me, somewhere on this list, and it was at the bottom, but I've used it before, so it's popped it up top, I'm going to use other apps. And what that's going to do is bring up all my usual apps, and I'm going to go find my Gmail, because that's what I would use, and I'm going to email it to myself, from myself. In the subject line, I'm going to remind myself that, hey, this is my math assignment or some such, so that I know when it gets to my computer what it is. I'm going to put in my own email address, and I'm going to hit the icon at the top right to, hey, send, and boom, away it'll go, and it will be in my email on my computer, ready to download to hand in my course. Now, when I'm all done, know that this is still sitting in Genius Scan, right? If I go back to the main page of Genius Scan, there's that first scan sitting there. If I wanted to get rid of it, I could slide it to the left and delete it, but I'm going to leave it there just in case something happens and my teacher doesn't get it and I lose the papers or what have you. It's a great backup to just leave it there for now until you, at least once it's graded for sure, then you could throw it out and save some space on your phone.